Welcome students to the Pandre classes. I am Pandre teacher. Our subject is the science 1 of standard 9 and the chapter is the second, work and energy. Today we have to study about the power and see the definition of power. It is the rate at which work is done. Now here rate means what? Time. So right here at the power is the rate. Here rate means time at which the work is done. The short form of power is the P and work is the W and time is the T. You know that the capacity to do work is called as the energy. Means here the work, instead of work we can write the energy also. So the formula of power is the P is equal to energy upon time. Okay, this is the formula of power, second formula. Then the unit of power, how to measure the power? So unit of power here, unit, the SI unit of power here, SI unit. Listen here, the power is measured in the watt, work is measured in the joule and time is measured in the second. So right here again the unit, work is measured in the joule, time is measured in the second. So the power is measured in the watt. Okay, in short it can be written as the watt is equal to joule. This horizontal line it represent as the oblique here and here is the second. So joule per second, it read it as the watt is equal to joule per second. Now again we have to do the definition of 1 watt. What is meant by 1 watt? 1 watt. See, according to this, do the definition. If 1 joule of work is performed in 1 second, if 1 joule of work is performed in 1 second, then the power is 1 watt. Then the power is the 1 watt. So write the formula, that is 1 joule of work, 1 joule, write in short 1 joule upon 1 second, and the power is the here 1 watt. So power is the 1 watt. This is the formula. Okay, now you know the 1000 watt is equal to 1 kilowatt. So first write the conversion of 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. This is the conversion. K, kilo, so kilo is the 1000 and watt here. So this is the conversion. And see, we do the definition of 1 kilowatt. What is meant by 1 kilowatt here? So 1 kilowatt power, this is the 1 watt power, and this is the 1 kilowatt power. See, again the same definition. Instead of 1 joule you have to write here 1000 joule. So if, write here definition, if 1000 joule of work is performed in 1 second, time is the same, in 1 second, then the power is 1 kilowatt, or the kilowatt, 1 kilowatt power. Means this is the machinery work, and that is the mixer. Take the example of mixer. So in mixer, in 1 second it do too much of the work instead of the human being. So human do the work in 1 second, which is very little work, but the machine, it do the much more work, that is in 1 second it do, suppose in kilowatt hour, we have to take the example of 1 kilowatt hour. 1 second, in 1 second it do the work of 1 joule. It is the difference between the man and the machine. So here write the formula according to that. So right here, okay, therefore 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 joule upon 1 second. So according to definition, this is the formula of 1 kilowatt. Then next, in industrial sector, in industrial sector, the unit of power is, the unit of power is horsepower. So 1 horsepower means what? 1 horsepower, in short it is called HP, is equal to 746 watt. The motor which we are using at our home, that is the one for water. So it is the having the capacity 746 watt, that is 1 HP power. It is having the power 1 HP. Then see, next is the commercial use of unit. This is the industrial use, but for commercial use, the unit of energy is kilowatt hour. It's kilowatt hour. In short, it is written as the K, then watt W, and hour as the H. Okay. Now relation between, this is the unit commercial for energy. It is the unit for energy. Now see, again we have to write this formula in the form of energy first. See, power is equal to energy upon time. So cross this 2, that is power into time. This is the cross multiply. So energy is equal to power into time. This is the energy, and it is for commercial use. So for commercial use, the unit of energy is, power is measured in the kilowatt and time is measured in the hour. Okay, this is the unit. Now you have to convert the kilowatt hour into joule. It is called as the relation. So write here relation. Second point here is the relation between kilowatt hour and joule. So what is the relation between kilowatt hour and joule? See here first. Again, energy. See this formula, energy is equal to power into time. So unit, write in the form of unit. The power is measured in the kilowatt and time is measured in the hour. So again write here it as the 1 kilowatt hour. It is the 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour means 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. 1 into 1 is the 1. Now again 1 kilowatt means how many watt? 1000 watt. 1000 watt. And in 1 hour how many seconds are there? 3600 seconds. Again multiply 3600 into 1000. It becomes 360000 watt second. Again write in the form of power. 36 into 10 raised to power 1 2 3 4 5 zeros are there. Watt in short form W and the second. Watt second. Again you know that 36 it can be written as the 0.00 means here is the point. Shift this point to the left hand side for after one digit. Here is the discard is 3.6. When you shift the point from to the left hand side, then it can be read in the power form, that is 10 raised to power. Here it shifted to the left hand side, the power goes to the plus to the 10th, that is plus power. And this point if shifted to the right hand side, then power goes to the negative to the 10. So it moves to one digit, so power is the 1 and it's a plus 1. Okay, so move this point to the left one digit, it becomes 3.6 like this way. 10 raised to power 1, don't write as the plus 1, and already this one is the 10 raised to power 5. Okay, then next watt second, it is called as the joule also. How? You know that the power is equal to work upon time, and work is the energy upon time. So energy is equal to power into time. Power is measured in watt, and time is, if power is measured in the watt, then time is measured in the second. So Ws, that is power W dot S. See here W dot S, and energy is measured in the joule. So Ws means what? Joule. Here is the Ws means what? Joule. Okay, understood? Then in short it is the joule. Again 3.6 into 10 raised to power 5 plus 1 is the 6 joule. Means we converted relation between kilowatt hour and joule, that is we converted kilowatt hour into joule. So write again here, that is the 1 into 1 is the 1, then 1 kilowatt, here is the hour, 1 hour means only write H, then equal to, it converted into 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. So conversion of kilowatt hour into the joule, which is called as the relation between this one. Means if we have taken 1 kilowatt hour, it means that it is having the quantity 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. Now this kilowatt hour, it is also called as the unit. It's called as the unit. Here 1 kilowatt hour means 1 unit. Okay, so this is the relation. Now electricity used here, electricity is used for domestic purpose, is measured in kilowatt hour, or it is measured in unit. It is measured in unit. Means whatever the energy we are using, electricity bill, it occurred in the unit. Okay, so 1 unit, that is, it is called as the kilowatt hour. See, students, thank you. If you like this video, then do the subscribe, then share also, and like the video also.